Have you ever tried buying aftermarket exhaust online? Do you feel that the exhaust note is too loud and penetrates your skull? Here's the solution. The silencer. Or is it? Let's find out.
Hi, in today's video, I'm going to put my silencer in my exhaust. Yeah, you heard it. Wala na bang ididilim pa to? Oh, wait. For the views. Silencer. Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes. Make sure that it fits.
And now for the sound check. Yes, you hear it right. Epic fail.
Hindi nga pala Hindi, pero baka mas mabuntis yan ang nakaangkat. Oo, bye. The jaundice?
Pwede lang to pag bubuntisin pa lang. Pero pag buntis na, bawal.
Buntis na eh. Ang hirap palang
Teka lang, ako na.
Siyong inas. Ang hirap bumaba. Hindi, nakataas kasi. Hindi, kahit hindi kita po masakit. Naka-stand.
Loh, kita yung panty mo sa camera.
Ay, bugok. Kita yung panty mo. Buray mo yan.
Lalagyan ko na yung smiley.
Sinaulo ka, Chudora. Kapatay, sige sa mic.
Lalagyan ko na lang ng smiley.
Ay, gago ah.
Hear it one more time. It smells like gasoline. It's moving. The silencer is not fixed. So what do? We remove that again. Yeah. Moving it again. Silencer my ass. Still hot, but I have hands of iron. Still hot, man.
So this is the silencer that I was using on that part. I have to buy a new one, a better one, something that fits better. Silencer DB killer. 51mm universal motorcycle exhaust pipe muffler silencer DB killer noise eliminator style 4. It comes in different styles.
2,000 years later.
I actually had the item already. I just removed it for us to see it. As you can see, it has different color because I've been using it for days now, and I removed this part right here for it to fit perfectly. Build quality is good. It's stainless steel as advertised, and it reduces the sound a little bit. Let's try it. silencer. Did it work? Yes, kinda. The sound no longer penetrates my skull, so yes, it's working. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section below if you have questions and reactions, you know. Thanks.